Tula, lungkot, sakit, kainan, tagumpe, ay daliwa pang karanasan. Apin kanureni rin pipunpuna na ng librong 50 Poems of Mary, in koleksyon da rin poesya ng Mary Ann Biliwang. Biliwang yung founder na ng Fairy Ayuda at acting officer in charge ng City Social Welfare and Development Office ng San Fernando.
It's a collection of my experiences, thoughts na I can't say directly, so I gather my thoughts and put them into words.
May daw niya ing book launching naniniking Mini Convention Center Heroes Hall anyang Lunes, October 23, kasabi ng selebrasyon ng 50th birthday ng Biliwang.
Actually, I've been doing a lot of artwork, so I do painting as well, I do drawings, but this time kasi since I'm turning 50, no, I turned 50 na pala yesterday, so words kasi are being interpreted in different ways, so probably they might be on the same condition or situation on dun sa situation ko on the point, they might be able to relate and see for themselves and experience also the experience that they are into.
Bukod king pamagdaki king kayang karanasan kareng mamasa, magsulong yan ng mga advokasya ibiliwang para kareng persons with disabilities at kebabay nun ang makaranas pamanabuso.
Like advocacy for PWD and the women na more on what we say are being abused. So it is also some of the photos meron tayo dyan are more on body positivity, wherein everybody would really accept themselves and to know that they are enough.
Kwento ng Biliwang iya mismo, survivor yan ng violence. Ginamit na kanuing kasakitan na kayang delanan para kimpamangawang obra maestra.
In this book, I already have emphasized and declared that I am a victim of abuse and violence. So here, parang it's telling people it's okay. It's okay that your past will never define the person that you would become. So siguro yun yung more important thing, like makita natin kung ano yung nakaraan ay hindi ang iyong kinabukasan at kung magiging sino ka in the future.
Karang 50 puwesya king mesabing libro at ang tanong pa kamaragla impact kayo ay may kipamagat a lost letter.
I think the lost letter, which is number 16, it is the story of a woman falling in love and making a mistake, that thinking that love should hurt, love is a sacrifice, but then she saw that love never hurt. Love cares and love endures, and love is freedom. So when you are in a violent situation or abusive situation, that is not love, that is abuse. So it's time to fly like an eagle.
At uling nasa ng Biliwang o sumabog ka rin biktima na ng pamanabuso, miras laking Women and Child Protection Center ni syudad ng Panakitan ng libro.
We continually do the advocacy kasi di takla pa mo ding mag-forward kasi itapin marinela, the stigma, and the pain that they are going through na this time kasi gusto nating ipakita since the VAUSI or yung ating WCPC Center, ang ating beneficiary, we would like them to go to a place where they will feel that it's a safe place for them to go. So by that time, maano na natin na it's time to fight for actually what they think is right.
Pinuri na naman City Mayor Vilma Kaluwag ibiliwang para kayang kayang dedikasyon at saup, abibiyaking komunidad.
Kalata naman nasabi ng teacher Mary Ann, jack of all trade yan talaga, bas kino ka rin may kabit talagang mag-excel yan very productive yan, mo ka rin man, bas kino ka rin man aspeto, kalumanay na sinabi ko. Nandin. So keep it up, keep doing good, and keep doing right. Achieving mo kayo, love na ka, balo mo yan.
Ako, Inke kayong Talsuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.